Hello, everyone. I'd like to thank you all for joining us today for our latest podcast on automating networks in federal and civilian agencies by leveraging Red Hat Ansible. I'm Rich Savage on the open source team at Carahsoft, and I'm joined today by Mike Garris, Senior Solutions Architect at Red Hat. Mike, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much, Rich. Glad to be here.
Yeah, it's great to have you here. We appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to talk to our public sector customers about network automation and how Red Hat Ansible can assist their agency with their automation efforts. I want to start our discussion by asking you, what is the current state of network automation for civilian agencies, and how do agency leaders approach the automation process? And if you can give us an idea of maybe some of their questions and concerns.
So, while most organizations are currently doing automation for management of their Linux and Windows systems, whether that's provisioning or application deployments or security compliance, a lot of them are just now starting to explore what automation can do on the network and even on the storage areas, right? So automation in general is just really a way to remove manual tasks into a predictable and repeatable fashion to accelerate delivery and business growth. And the easiest way to begin is to identify small, easy wins and allow those to grow into more challenging and complex wins. A lot of the questions I get asked are and concerns revolve around like compatibility with Ansible and specific network devices. What modules might be available for those, and are there still new features being developed for those specific network devices? Now, luckily, I haven't run into an instance where a customer had like a specific network vendor that Red Hat hadn't created modules for Ansible to be able to perform automation tasks against. We also have community pages on Ansible Galaxy, as well as content collections, which is available from cloud.redhat.com. Those are basically certified modules and playbooks created in conjunction with Red Hat and a vendor. These partnerships are really what continue to drive enhancements, and it's one of the primary reasons most organizations are using the Red Hat Ansible automation platform.